Quizzes and tests are part of the interactive features of stories, with which you can not only entertain users, but also test their knowledge, for example, about the functions of the application, or raffle off gifts. 3 such tools are available in the in-app story console: Quiz, Category Quiz, and Test. Let's take a look at each of them. The quiz consists of several questions. For each of them, there can be from 2 to 4 possible answers, among which only one is correct. The final result depends on how many mistakes the user makes. To create a quiz, add a widget of the same name to the slide. It can be stretched and moved. Fill in the question and answer fields. Set the correct answer. In the settings of the widget, you can enable or disable the display of the Next button and the explanations for the answers. They'll be shown when the user chooses one or another option. By default, when you add a quiz widget to a slide, the Disable Timer setting is activated. That is, switching between slides will occur only by pressing the Next button or after selecting a result and tapping on the screen. To design a quiz, you can add images, text, or video to the slide. Create some more question slides. There are a couple of other things you need to do to complete your quiz preparation. Use the button in the slide menu to add multiple layers. One layer is one possible quiz result. 1 point is awarded for each correct answer. For each result, set the number of points the user must score to see this particular layer. Remember that the result can be 0. Design each layer with text, pictures, or videos. Optionally, you can add the option of repassing the quiz so that one could improve his or her results and get a reward. The category quiz differs in 2 ways. There's no right or wrong answer. The results are summed up depending on which answer was chosen more often: A, B, C, or D. Some letter is assigned to each answer, and the letter, instead of points, is set in the properties of the slide with the results. These letters are not visible to the user. If one scores an equal number of different options, the undefined category layer will be shown. The test is created in the same way as the quiz. The difference is that instead of a green check mark or letters for each answer, the editor prescribes the number of points, and the results are summed up by the points scored. This is everything you need to know about creating tests and quizzes in stories. The next lesson is about voting and polling widgets.